Okay, here are the dogs. This is Luke. He woke up from his nap. He was sleeping like crazy. Hey, Luke. Oh, he's going to sit down now. Luke. I have Trudy on a leash here. Sorry if it's a little bumpy. Here she is. Trudy. They're not being real photogenic here. And Buster, he decided to join us. What is it? There's Trudy. Trudy, look up at the camera. Here. There you go. This is kind of a hacked up video, and I apologize for that. But I don't know where they're headed off to half the time. There we go. Oh, they're kissing each other. See if I can. Looky, look at me. That's a good boy. There they are, the two of them. Oh, there's the three. Buster and Luke, they get along. Are you guys going to look at the camera or not? Luke. Luke. Being antisocial today. There we are. What a handsome boy. And here's Trudy. She will follow me. That's the only problem. Look at this boy. Buster, what do you have to say for yourself? Really? He's 13. He's a stinker. She's got all tangled up here. Huh. She's a big girl too. She's built like a Rottweiler. Built like a coffee table, this girl. She's got some shedding to do yet. Don't you? Hmm? Oh, cool. Well, they're not cooperating like I thought they would, but you get the gist. It's been a real hot day for them. There we go. That's a nice picture, Trudy. Good. Oh, jeepers. The fur. And he's not even going to get up, are you? You're not going to get up, Luke? Hmm? Oh, the dog next door. Now we may see some action. We have a miniature schnauzer next door. And Trudy here does not like him. So she lets that be known. Come here. Turn around, girlie. There we go. Whoops. Sorry, folks. Well, I guess that's all we're going to get today. But can you get up, Luke? Luke, get up. Get up. Can you get up? No, he has seizures and needs to take phenobarbital, and that has controlled the seizures. And he also has to take doggy Vioxx. Oh, there's Trudy. That's a good one, girlie. Trudy's fine. She'll be 12 soon, and she still loves the frisbee, huh? You like frisbees, don't you? But here they are. They're hot and taking it easy. I hope you've enjoyed it. Bye-bye.